Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. Makeup Revolution was kind enough to send me a lot of stuff. They sent me the Grinch collection and the Shrek collection, so today I'm going to be going through the Grinch collection, and then in part 2 I'll go through the Shrek collection in case anyone wants just like to individually watch them. But yeah, I'm so grateful. Thank you, Makeup Revolution, and I've already done looks with some of the stuff, so if you want to see the products and what I think of them, just keep watching. We're gonna start with the Grinch collection because it's almost Christmas, and maybe by the time this is up it may be Christmas, who knows. But the first product we have is the Revolution and Grinch eyeshadow palette. They have 2 eyeshadow palettes, I think, but this is my favorite one. It has like purples and greens and it's just really cute. I used this today along with some VIP glitz, multi-chromes, and flakies over top, obviously, because like flakies. I don't know how I feel about how the flakies turned out. Like, I don't feel them or anything, which is really great. I just think it kind of didn't go with the look, but whatever. I think they're beautiful, so that's fine. Sticking with palettes, we have the other Grinch palette, which is called the Grinch Shadow Palette. I'd love to talk, but I'm in a hurry to get home and be alone, which is a vibe. And it has the Grinch's lovely face on it, and this is the inside. It's beautiful. I have already used this as well, and I do really like it. For me, the shimmers are just okay. Some of them are really good. Some of them are more so satins, which I'm not a fan of satins, but the mattes in here are really, really good. They blend beautifully, and they're really pigmented, so I'm very happy with this so far, and I'm definitely going to keep using it. The next product we have is a liquid eyeshadow trio. So you get like a green, a reddy tone, and then a bronze, I think. So this is what they look like. Cool.
Got him! I got him! My big boy Simon, say hi! Hi guys, my name is Simon. I was being bad and scratching on the floor. Hi.
Don't be bad. Go tell your auntie all your problems. The next product that we have is... This is As Merry As It Gets Whoville Heart Beauty Sponge, which I have not opened yet because everything is sealed and stuff, so, which is good. It's just a pain to get in everything, but this is so cute. Oh my god. So it's a heart, and it'll grow 3 sizes? Wow, my lisp is bad. 3 sizes, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, one of my favorite things is this Grinch mirror. I just think it's cute, okay? I don't have any handheld mirrors, so I'm so happy. I now have 2. I have the Grinch one and I have the Shrek one, but this one is just so like festive and fun. I just love it. Ooh, I love this mirror. It's really good quality, so I am excited for it. Last few Grinch items we have is there was a brush set that comes with a sponge with the Grinch's face on it and a compact mirror. I've already grabbed the brushes and they're in my collection, so I'm not going to go get them out, but those were included, which was awesome. A pair of lashes, which I don't wear lashes, but I'll definitely gift these to someone. It's just, they're cute. I don't know. And the last thing, well, no, not the last thing, but the last main thing we have is this little bag. I have no idea what I would use this for. I think change. If I had change, I would use this for change, but this is just so cute. It's just a cute little bag with the Grinch on it, and I think it's fabulous. So the last product we have is the 12-day advent calendar. So we're gonna go through this, and we're gonna, you know, go through all of them. I'm gonna have to open every box, because as you can see, there are a lot of boxes, but we're gonna go through it, and I've already gotten the tape and stuff off, so this should go okay. I'm hoping I have enough space on my phone to record this. So day 1 is Grinch Please, which comes with 2 itty bitty brushes, which, I mean, cute, I guess. They have Cindy Lou and Max, so that's cool. I ignored You Fine the first time, which a vibe, which I think it's a lip balm. Let me see. Yeah, it's a lip balm. So it has the Grinch on it, which, I mean, it's just like a sticker, so it's nothing amazing, but like a lip balm. I love lip balms, and the fact that it's a Grinch lip balm, I'm always down for that. Day 3. I'm sorry I was late. I didn't want to go, which is like same. Ooh, I think this is a lipstick, and it is a like Christmas red, and it has Cindy Lou and the Grinch and all that fun stuff, which I love. 4 is Let's Just Not. Let's go through all this. Ooh, this is a lip gloss, I think. It's so cute. Just a little lip gloss. Next we have number 5, I Don't Do Warm and Cuddly. It comes with a little scrunchie. I love it. I can always use extra scrunchies, to be honest. 6, do I look like a people person? Like, no, I don't think so. Oh, it's another sponge. It's a yellow sponge. I don't really... It has the Grinch on it and says Revolution X Grinch, which is cute. I mean, sponges are always good, but the heart one was cuter, to be honest. And I don't like morning people or mornings or people. Z Grinch. It's a highlighter, which is cool. It looks like it'll be light enough for me. The highlighter that came with the collection was not. It was way too dark for me, but we'll see. I'm really pressing in. It's just like a champagne-y highlighter. Like, it's subtle, but it's pretty. Setting spray, fixing spray. So that's always nice. Maybe this will help my... I don't know if I like that scent. That was weird. Number 9, we have I Wish I Could Invoice People for Wasting My Time. I mean, I do like the vibes, and we got a reindeer scrunchie, which vibes, I guess. I don't know, I'll wear it on Christmas probably. I'll just like do like pigtails or something so I can use both of them. Say I act like I don't care. It's not an act. It looks like a palette. Oh, it has Cindy Lou and Max on it. That's so cute. This palette's a vibe. It's like a fiery, like, you know, type of vibe. I don't think this screams Christmas to me, but if they had like a green instead of that brown, sure. But this definitely gives me like Cindy Lou vibes. So number 12, this is as merry as it gets. Oh, I just skipped 10 by accident. At number 10, we have I Wish More People Were Fluent and Silent. Oh, it's a little headband. It's a little reindeer headband. That's cute. I think that's cute. Effie, are you checking everything out? We are finally on the last product, and this is as merry as it gets. So, oh, it's a compact mirror. Okay, so it's the same one in the other thing, which is cool. So if you just get the advent calendar, you get the compact, which is cute. It says Snarky on it and has the Grinch's face. Yeah, it's a compact. It's really cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Sorry that I haven't been posting as much. Life, health, all that fun stuff. I'll probably do an update eventually. But yeah, if you want to see the Shrek collection unboxing, let me know. I'll upload that ASAP. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok and make it by TashaXO. I'll see you in the next video.